verb, subject, object. So this is the usual form that you have in Arabic. That you call a jumla fi'liya because it starts with a fi'al, which is the verb, right? And then you have jumla ismiya, which starts with a noun, right? But a lot of time when you're reading, especially if you're reading classical texts or what have you, you're gonna come across a lot of these where it's jumla fi'liya. It starts with a verb and then the subject and then the object. Adaraba Isa Musa. Adaraba Isa Musa. Right? Isa hit Musa. Right? In this case, a little ambiguous because you can't see, but there's no i'rab on both of the names, so you're not completely sure who did the hitting, right? So there's a little yeah. There's a little ambiguity in this sentence. But if you have, for example, ضرب زيد أحمد or ضرب زيد أحمد, then in this case there's no ambiguity because you have Zaydun and this is a marfu'. So Ahmad, right, would be then mansub because it's the object, right? So knowing that, that might require a little switch or a little change in mentality if you're coming from English where it's always a subject, then object, a subject, and then verb and an object, right? Unless you're looking at some classical text in English, but that's not how we speak anyway right now, right? Um, but yeah, so keep that in mind, right? Jumla fi'aliyya, verb, subject, object. There is, yes, you could also say Zaydun daraba Isa or Zaydun daraba Ahmed, right? That's all well and proper as well. But the Jumla fi'aliyya is something that you're gonna come across a lot, and dare I say, it's even more common than the other way around. Something to keep in mind as you learn in Arabic.